The RB LOCKS KEYLOCX lock cylinder, like most pin cylinders, operates on a mechanism that uses code and locking pins to provide secrecy and lock control. Here is a detailed description of how it works. The main elements are: cylinder body, the fixed outer part that is attached in the lock. Rotor or plug, the movable inner part of the cylinder where the key is inserted. The rotor is connected to the cam, which drives the lock's bolt. Code pins are in contact with the key and have different lengths corresponding to the cutouts on the key. Some pins are made in the form of dumbbells, which makes it difficult to work with lock picks. Locking pins are located below the code pins and are spring-loaded to lock the rotor in the absence of the correct key. Springs hold the locking pins in position to lock the rotor. The key has a unique profile with wells of a certain depth which correspond to the height of the pins. Operating principle. In the absence of a key or with a foreign key, the springs press on the locking pins, forcing them partially into the rotor. This blocks its rotation as the pins cross the shear line between the rotor and the cylinder body. If the wrong key is inserted, the holes on the key do not match the length of the code pins, and the locking pins either remain in the rotor or go into the case without aligning with the shear line. With a native key, when the correct key is inserted, its wells exactly match the length of the code pins. The code pins push the locking pins so that their junction aligns with the shear line between the rotor and housing. At this point, the rotor is released and can be rotated by the key. Rotation of the rotor drives a cam that operates the lock's transom, opening or closing the lock. In addition, the key has an interactive element that controls a special stainless steel pin, which eliminates the possibility of copying the key without the use of original blanks. Also, RB LOCKS KEYLOCX cylinder has anti-snapping protection, which prevents the cylinder from being pulled out. The RB LOCKS KEYLOCX pin cylinder works on the standard principle of the pin mechanism, but with an emphasis on increased secrecy and tamper resistance. The link to this cylinder is in the description.